Yeah, I live on the road. Dave Patton. Yeah, tell you about Lee. Keystone State of Mind. Hey yo, this life is crazy, but the whole grind's what made me. Thinking they could stop me, maybe. On the down low till my guap get crazy. Drop top Mercedes, can't lie, let the money amaze me. But I'm really in it for the love of this. People talking rubberish, mad cause they trippy like the luggage is. We on the highway to fame, people loving it. Living on the road on some other shit. So all my fellas say ho, all my ladies say hey. East Coast from Philly to California, yeah. Kinda pimpin', affiliate only with big business. My bags got smaller and my name got bigger. I dream hard like I sleep a lot and climb high to see the top. I bring it back when I'm done traveling the Atlas, putting my city on the map still, yeah.
It's been a long time coming. I think my work paid off, and my train keeps moving. Look at the level of my heart. I got a pretty lady calling me. She wants to meet me after the show. She can call me anytime. I love to live on the road.
My phone buzzing, I would hope it's Kanye or something. Cause other rappers got the hype, but they ain't saying nothing. I feel like I'm the future, sign me today or something. The flow is shady, the beat remind you with Dre or something. 18 with a flow like this one. I really got that candy girl and it's the new edition. Penthouse minutes got me chillin', ripping shit apart. But to be an artist harder than some physics, damn. But when you work hard and practice every day, then your name get large. I want the Billboard #1 on the charts. A lot of people rap, but I'm the youngin' that's in charge. Yeah, you know that. So when they ask about the best, you can say me. I never let the game faze me. So either you hate me or take me. And if you love real, then embrace me. Cause I ain't been around lately, huh?
It's been a long time coming. I think my work paid off, and my train keeps moving. Look at the level of my heart. I got a pretty lady calling me. She wants to meet me after the show. She can call me anytime. I love to live on the road. I never know where I wanna be, but every show, it always comes to me. I think back to when I was younger. I look now at